How to prepare CA Foundation BCR chapter number 3, that is vocabulary. So in vocabulary chapter there are a lot of terms which you have to study, like you have to study about synonym, antonym, connotations, collocations, foreign words, root words, idioms, phrases, lots and lots of things. But let me tell you, all of these things are not asked in your examination. So ma'am, what is asked in your examination? So for that, I'll show you your exam pattern. I have also made a separate video on the BCR weightage video. You can find the link in the description, or you can find in the same YouTube channel. See, if I show you the weightage video, how many questions are asked from the vocabulary chapter? From question number 8, 2 mark question is asked from your vocabulary chapter. In question number 9, 2 marks question is asked from your vocabulary chapter. And then in question number 11, again 2 marks plus 1 marks, that is 3 mark question is asked from your vocabulary chapter. So what is your average weightage? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. The average weightage is 7 marks. The average weightage is 6 to 7 marks. So now if you will see the past 3 to 4 examination paper pattern, mostly what is asked from this particular chapter, ICAI ask question from synonyms, antonyms, and idioms and phrases. Idioms and phrases. So if you skip the rest of the thing, it will be perfectly fine. If you skip the foreign words, connotations, collocations, root words, etc., it will be perfectly fine. But what you have to do, you have to prepare synonym, antonym, idioms, and phrases. And these are not very technical. You can definitely do this. So from this particular chapter vocabulary, do selective study, don't read theory. No theory is asked, no theory question comes from your chapter number 3 vocabulary. Neither all types of question comes. By studying the past examination pattern of 3 to 4 attempts, we can clearly say that in this chapter question is asked from synonym, antonym, idioms, and phrases. So do that only. And if you'll see the synonym, antonym of this particular ICI study material. So if you'll see here, these are the synonyms, antonym. That's it. That's it. Only one table synonym, antonym. You can refer this 2 to 3 times before your examination. So refer all this synonym, antonym given in the ICAI study material 2 to 3 times before examination, and refer as well as do the practical exercise also, and refer all the don't do prefix and suffix, no need. Refer to all the phrasal verbs given in your ICAI study material, and refer all the idioms. Refer all the idioms given in your ICAI study material. So what you have to do, there's not much, it will not take much time. Idioms, yes. So you have to refer idioms, phrases, synonym, antonym, that's it. Rest of the topic you can skip. You can do only this 4 topic: synonym, antonym, idioms, and antonyms, and idioms and phrases. Now, how to prepare, ma'am? Whether this synonym, antonym, idiom, and phrases will come from ICI study material? No, not necessarily. But you can't remember the meaning, synonym, antonym of all the words in the world. It's not possible. So what you can do, first read all the synonym, antonym, idiom, and phrases of your ICAI study material. After that, go for PYQ, RTP, MTP. In every PYQ there will be approx 6 to 7 synonym, antonym, idioms, and phrases, and it will not take you much time. Like if you'll refer even last 4 PYQ, you will get only 20 to 30 synonym, antonyms, total synonym, antonym, idiom, phrases. That much you can remember, right? So do all the PYQ, RTP, MTP. And after that, if you get some free time, instead of scrolling Instagram, Google synonym, antonym, idioms, and phrases. And just remember few synonym, antonym which appears in the first few websites of Google. Because what exam the person who set the paper, what he does, he Googles synonym, antonym, and from the first 2 to 3 website which comes in the first page, he select one of the most difficult synonym, antonym from that Google search, and he paste it in your question paper. So that's how you can prepare for the vocabulary chapter. You cannot mug up all the words, meaning of all the words from the dictionary. But yes, do the selective study. Root words, prefix, suffix, all you can ignore. You can study selectively on the only this four topic from vocabulary: synonym, antonym, idiom, phrases, and read all the synonym, antonym, idiom, phrases of ICR study material, PYQ, RTP, MTQ. PYQ, RTP, MTP. After that, if you get time, Google, and from the first 2 to 3 websites of the Google search, refer to all the synonym, antonym, idioms, and phrases just once. Definitely, you would be able to get an edge in your CA Foundation Law and BCR paper. Thank me later for this strategy. Yes, I hope this video is helpful. In case it is, do share with your all the CA Foundation friends so that everybody can take benefit out of this. Also, for more CA and CS updates, subscribe to the channel and hit to the bell icon. Also, don't forget to give a big fat thumbs up to this video. In case of any guidance, in case of any motivation or any support or any doubt you have, you can comment below, or you can connect me through Instagram, Telegram, or WhatsApp. I will surely clear your doubts. All the best for your examination, right? Keep learning, because the more you learn, the more you grow, and the more you grow, the more you achieve. Take care. Bye bye.